Meaning of immersive.
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 Immersive. Immersive refers to an experience that fully engages a person's senses, making them feel completely surrounded by and involved in an environment or activity. An immersive experience often creates a sense of total immersion, so the individual feels as though they have been transported to another world or reality. It can be achieved through various means, such as virtual reality, augmented reality, soundscapes, and complex narratives. An immersive experience can be highly impactful, leaving a lasting impression on the individual and enhancing their emotional connection to the activity or environment they are engaging with.